Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Unit 9. Natural disasters. Page 26. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Did you watch the news last night?
No, I didn't. What's happened?
There was a typhoon in Nam Dinh province.
What exactly is a typhoon? We don't get them in England.
It's a severe tropical storm.
Oh no, that's terrible. What time did it hit the area?
They said at about 10 a.m.
Was anyone injured?
Only a few minor injuries were reported. Most people had moved to safe areas when the storm broke.
That's a relief. Did it cause any damage to property?
It seems many houses and public buildings were destroyed or flooded, and thousands of people were left homeless.
That's awful. Despite all the modern technology available to us, we're still helpless against natural disasters. How is the government helping the people there?
They've sent rescue workers to free people who were trapped in flooded homes. Once the heavy rain stops, they'll start clearing up the debris. Medical supplies, food, and rescue equipment have also been sent.
That's great. How about the people left without homes?
They've been taken to a safe place where temporary accommodation will be provided for them.
2. A. Write the responses into the correct columns. Then listen, check and repeat.
Unit 9. Page 27. Getting started. Activity 2A. Write the responses into the correct columns. Then listen, check, and repeat.
Responding to good news. Wow! That's great! That's a relief. How wonderful! That's awesome!
Responding to bad news. Oh dear! That's awful! How terrible! Oh no! That's shocking!
3. Match the natural disasters with the pictures. Then listen, check your answers and repeat. Can you add more?
Unit 9. Page 27. Getting started. Activity 3. Match the natural disasters with the pictures. Then listen, check your answers and repeat. Can you add more?
1. C. Flood.
2. D. Forest fire.
3. F. Tsunami.
4. B. Tornado.
5. G. Mudslide.
6. A. Volcanic eruption.
7. H. Drought.
8. E. Earthquake.